Hi guys, Paddy here from Compass Physio. Welcome along to our online Pilates. Just going to go through step by step of how to use Zoom and how to get it up and running. So you should have got an email and there'll be a link in it. It says the Zoom link here. So I'm going to click on that and it'll bring us to the Zoom page. If you haven't done already, you can download Zoom. If you click on the bottom right, it'll show you a step-by-step process. Obviously it's brought me, because we've already downloaded Zoom, it's already brought me to this. I'm going to open Zoom. And that should invite me to join a meeting. Now we can join with computer audio. It might just be worth checking. You can test the speaker and microphone, so we can check, did you hear a ringtone? Which we did hear there. I can hear that on my computer. We did indeed. And if I say something, we did indeed. And if I say something, then we know it's working and the speaker's working. Yes. So we're going to join with computer audio. Okay. So off we go. So we're now in the meeting. It may be that before, if you log in maybe 5 minutes early, you get to this point where it says personal meeting room. So we wait there until the class start time. So don't worry if you don't get into it straight away. Now, if we look at the bottom left of the screen, there's start video, which will show a video of you in your room. You can get it positioned so you have all the nice furniture on show in the room. But basically what we'll need for the class to function correctly will be the video on, so that the instructors, Emer, Aoife and Paula can see you, and also that this button here is muted once the class starts. Now the instructor will remind you that, but we'll have the class, we'll mute this button here. Okay, so that means that you can hear the guys, they can see you, and if you did want to speak, you can just mute that button there. If for some reason, I don't know, something happens in the house, somebody runs in, something happens, you can obviously turn off or stop the video momentarily. You'll still be able to hear things. So that's a run through, a couple of minutes. You should get up and running, try and log in for about 5 minutes before your class start time. Any questions, do let us know. Take it easy guys, bye bye.